Welcome to Brains World. On this episode, we're going to lift the body off the chassis. Stay tuned. All right, well, let's go do this. So I've got these straps. I've got them looped around underneath and come up from the bottom, and got some winches up top. So I got this side set. I'm going to go ahead and set up the front. All right, ready or not, here we go. I just hope we're in the basement. I've got it tied to the floor. I just hope the ceiling doesn't fall down on me. That's really my only hope in this. So we'll see what happens. Oh, all right, hold your breath. All right, it's a little bit crooked right there, but I think what I'll do is I'll adjust these straps just a little bit. There we go. That one's over a little bit that way. Seems to be a little better. So far, the floor hasn't fallen on me. All right, let's go ahead and pull this out here. Get some gloves on. There we go. Okay. The wheel's getting caught on that a little bit over there. I'm gonna push that side over. What's it getting stuck on? Oh. Some of these are locked. I wonder why it's hard to move these. Holy cow. What a goofball. Well, I think I got them all. See what happens. Oh, look at that. We lost one. Probably has something still not locked. Just getting stuck on the car a little bit. Oh, shit. This ground wire's connected. Look at this shit. All right, let me get a wrench. Okay, there we go. I don't believe I didn't see that. I bet you guys saw that. You're probably laughing your ass off on me. Ta-da! Ground wire is off. Well, I'm guessing we're not going to have too much trouble now. Gee, that's easy now. I wonder why. All right, now we got the chassis out. We're gonna go ahead and lower the Ghia down so we don't have to worry about the floor falling. So I'll go work on that right now. I guess this is what you call a very low Ghia. Imagine if you can get it this low and drive it like that. All right, as you can see, the chassis is off. In the next video, we're going to be removing the floor pans the rest of the way. This is probably going to be a challenge because remember, in the other video, they epoxied them in or something. So it's going to be a real challenge to get these off. But that'll be in our next video. And then also we'll be getting the front end off. We'll get the rear end off. And we're going to take it all the way down to nuts and bolts. And we'll rebuild this chassis. Stay tuned for next time on Brains World when we remove the floorboards from the chassis. It's going to be a real challenge because these things are epoxied in there. So I don't know what we're going to do. We'll figure it out. It's a tough situation. Don't forget to subscribe. And that way we can keep making videos for you. See you next time on Brains World.